How's it going, boys and girls?
Yes.
So I did a bunch of research on these. Look at that cable. It's like the size of my thumb. And the things that were poor about it, that people didn't like, was the distance of the cord. Power supply was short. But you know what, I can live with that. Right. Can't have one of those. Got one of these. Harbor Freight picked that bad boy up. Got a little jack too. Got some of them. Sandpaper. A little this, a little that. I'll get more stencils in the mail. But let me show you something here. So this was the cart that I was going to originally use that I bought like last year. I got it on sale at Harbor Freight with a coupon for like 20 bucks or something. 24 bucks. Something like that. And I thought that's cool. That'll work out great. But upon further review here, right there, 100 pounds. Well, that welder weighs about 90 pounds. That tank weighs about 80-90 pounds. So I gotta do some beefing up here. So I got my old bed frame, some square tubing. Got this guy here. This thing's gonna be really cool. I just love these old school rims. They clean up really good. There's even a Zerk built in. So probably going to use those in the front. These will be the back. This is going to be the frame right here. And yeah, maybe I'll make some wheelie bars out of these. Huh? Huh? All right. Let's get to work. Alright, well, this 14-inch cutoff saw worked out really good from Harbor Freight. I mean, it's good enough for me. I'm not fabbing up stuff every day all the time or anything like that, so it seemed to work out pretty good. First time I ran it, I bought 2 blades, and one was a little bit fatter than this one. Yeah, I used a thinner blade. Works out a lot better. And this sander here, 12-inch. This thing is pretty heavy. I mean heavy. This is like 86 pounds. I ain't going nowhere. So I'm happy with that too. That worked out good. Yeah. And of course the battery died when I was gonna get my first weld. That was my first one there. I was just piling it on. It was set a little fast, the wire. I turned it down a little bit more and it was still piling up. Turn it down some more. I get some better beads there. Not too bad. Put a couple little spot welds in there to hold the bottom of the cart. Did a couple little plug welds. Alright, picking that up or not. I had to put some reinforcement brackets right along in here on each side. Alright, both reinforcements in there. Got good penetration there, you can see that. So I started building this cart, and I didn't have a cart. One of the guys I work with, he gave me a cart that a guy at work made. He gave it to me. That's pretty awesome. This thing is heavy duty. Way heavy duty. That's even got a little wheelie bar in the back. So hell yeah. So this card here, I'm probably gonna, maybe this will be for a TIG welder or some other thing, plasma cutter or something. She's pretty stout. It'll take my weight easily. So that's it for now. Okay, so next time in the cage, we're gonna try these out. Pick these up at the dollar store for $1. That's right. One-handed. I'm gonna use that to mix that stuff up on. Yeah, that should work out pretty good. Let it dry up, bend her up. There we go. Hell yeah, that's pretty cheap. Yeah, put a little piece of wood underneath it, but yeah, that should work out good. Also, I'm gonna start another project. I'm gonna go to the steel store tomorrow, pick up some 1-inch square tubing and 1x2 tubing pieces and a 2x4 14 gauge, I think, tubing. Steel store, yeah. I have a welder now, so now I can go there. I'm also gonna pick up a snow blower, old one, 8-horse motor. I'm gonna make a project for me. So yeah, do some body work with that new thing, the new chopping mat deal. We'll try that out, see how that works. That should work out good. But all right. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. I got some new subscribers. I appreciate that too. So till next time. Later.
I feel like I'm gonna get on more than we